What up, YouTube, Facebook? It's your boy HB3 in the building, and today I'm coming to y'all with this video. I'm going to be talking to y'all about merchandise that I need to get. I'm on my way back to Wavy now, so I gotta get some merchandise here. I've been hearing a lot of things about new stuff out there, from brushes to rags to products. Man, I just need to go on here and figure out what's out so I can start this new journey back to the wave game. I'm going to be cutting my hair soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so of course I'm basically on this journey back, and I gotta go on here and look for some new products, right? I gotta go on here and make sure I'm straight for when I come back. Everybody thought that I gave away all of my brushes, products, rags, everything. They think I gave everything away. Here's the thing, people. I only do this pretty much at random. You know, I change hairstyles a lot, so I always knew that I was going to come back to the wave game. I just didn't know when. The time has come for that, so therefore I got to go in here and see what's out and get some new merchandise. So let's go ahead and start searching here. Okay, so first thing I like to do when I'm looking for a new product is basically go to a website. I like to go to social media first, because a lot of the things that waivers do are going to be word of mouth. So first places I'm going to go is Facebook and Instagram. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring up another tab, and then I'm going to go to Facebook first, and then I'm going to head over to Instagram, which probably looks kind of weird on a desktop, so that's pretty cool. No problem. What the hell? What is this? I don't even want it. Let me hit the play right quick. Let me just hit the play. Hold on. I know I'm going off base, but I want to see this. What? He has hair now? Alright, let me get back. Let me get back on subject. Okay, so that was weird. That was crazy. Unedited, you just saw that straight up. So, what have I been hearing? Because I've been on the wave pages here and there, been keeping my third eye looking, you feel me? So, the first thing I've heard about was Brush King got some new brushes. So I'm just gonna type in Brush King. I'm actually friends with him on Facebook. Let's click on here and see what we have. Ooh, all 9 royalty brushes are available for purchase. Go to brushking.org ASAP. So here we are, and we have, oh man, this is beautiful. Look at these brushes right here. These little tiny brushes right here are pretty dope. I can't really see this one. I like that one. I like that one. Okay, cool. Let's actually go to his website. I want to go to his website to take a look at them, because I want to see if he has, if any of those are soft brushes, because I love soft brushes. Yeah.
Hey yo, what's good, Brush King? Hey man, I just wanted to let you know, I don't think these people.
Oh yeah, I remember my boy J-Lew did a brush review on that. That's how I really heard about him. Look at this Laker brush right here. That's pretty dope. I like that. Okay, so apparently I'm gonna have to spend some money now, because all these brushes look pretty dope. There's a medium right here. Yeah, this is nice. I love that color scheme right there. This is really nice. And of course I got to see this one. My boy Joshua Williams, he did a review on this brush. Not necessarily a review, but a parody of Black Panther. I like this. And it's a soft brush, which is my favorite, people. Y'all know I love soft brushes. If anybody know HB3, they know I do soft brushes. So this is a automatic cop right here. Automatic. I'm hella excited about that, man. That is crazy. Okay, cool. Let's get out of here. So I know I'm gonna have to get a lot of brushes apparently. Okay, cool. I just gotta have them. Even though I got all my other brushes, I gotta have the new ones. Let me check on my boy Monsoon. I heard he, my boy CJ, actually did a video for him a while back. Go to the Monsoon style caps. Take a look here. Oh yeah, this is dope. Ooh, okay. So he's really picked up dramatically on the customs. He's been doing his customs, I see. Nice. This is very nice. I like that. I like that on the caps. There they are. That's what I was looking for right here. Looking for the do-rags. Oh, that color ugly. I don't like that color. No offense, whoever got it, but I like that. I see the he got the name tag right there, the logo. So that's dope. The frog. Oh yeah, I like this right here. This blue, it's nice, real nice. Oh yeah, look at that maroon. Oh, I'm feeling that one too. And they got the logo. That's a dope color right there. Got the white with the logo. Okay. And I love do-rags. So my boy CJ Monsoon, he came out with do-rags finally. I love that because I'm big on do-rags, especially when I'm waving. Even though I'm doing the waves with the fade, I'm still gonna be rocking a do-rag or a cap or something. You feel me? I gotta keep them on top, you know, laid. So that's pretty dope right there. I like that. Is that a mesh one? I don't know about all the mesh. I don't do mesh. Ooh, I like that black one. All right, cool. So apparently I'm gonna have to get me a bunch of do-rags. So I gotta stock up on some do-rags. This is merchandise, people. This is merchandise that I'm about to continuously buy here. I get excited when there's new stuff coming out or there's new stuff out. It makes me excited as being a waver. Okay, so let me hop over to Instagram from the desktop. And the reason being is because someone told me about this guy named Jiro that I need to look at his brush racks. Of course, here we have Jiro brush racks. Okay, cool. Bring this here. Life is what you make it, and I made it success. Because that's supposed to be success. Oh, that's supposed to be success. You're missing one C. Okay. Life is what you make it, and I made it a success. I made it a success. Okay. So you left C out, which is fine. I'm a grammar Nazi, so apologize for that. I correct you, which is, I love the icon. I love the what do you call that? Your name. I love your name right here is I correct you, which is kind of ironic to this right here. Let's scroll on over and look at it a little bit more. Oh wow, that's dope. Love the handles. It goes with the theme of the samurai type guy right here with a do-rag on. That's really cool. Yeah, that definitely goes with that. This mistake right here, I wouldn't even care about that mistake. That whole sentence can be completely wrong and I'll be satisfied. I wouldn't care. And that's dope right there. Okay. Woo, that's spacious. I like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Man, that's a big rack. This is like a 32 brush rack. Cause you can probably put brushes right here too. That's pretty sick. Nice. Oh yeah, here's looks like a picture of Wavy merch Wavy merch is actually a brush I'm looking into as well. That's from my boy Nick Wavy. So it's a good thing that I'm kind of taking care of two birds in one stone looking at this picture. You know, I'm looking at Jiro brush racks to be, you know, getting, you know, maybe a brush rack from him. And I'm also looking at Wavy merch, which is Nick Wavy. Shout out to Nick Wavy. His brushes as well. I want to get a couple of those. Even though I'm strictly Brush King till the day I die, I still got to support, you know, my boy Nick Wavy. You know, he's been doing this thing forever. He's one of the people I looked up to when I first came in the wave game. So definitely going to be looking into getting a couple of them brushes right there just to have in my arsenal, and I will be using them too. Oh, yo, someone told me about this. These brush racks that the Jiro dude does, they said he can get real creative. So I'm personally gonna hit this guy up and we're gonna get creative, and I'm definitely gonna do something serious. I actually want to see this in action here. Give me a second, y'all. I know I'm taking a lot of time just going over merchandise that I'm gonna get, but I'm letting y'all know what the setup gonna be when I get everything back in, you know, in motion, back wavy. You feel me? Cause I'm on my way back. Let's click on Nick Wavy right quick, cause I know I seen him with it in action before. Let's take a look. Oh man. Oh, that's dope. Look at the LED lights. Hey, 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 hey. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Wavy merch, Nick Wavy. Oh, he got his logos and stuff on the inside. Well, his email, well, not email, but his Instagram tags. That's what's up, man. I like that. LED lights in there. That is really cool. Oh, ooh. Oh, yeah. Jiro Rex. I'm coming for you. You see this? I gotta have it. Gotta have it. That is dope. I want mine to be better, and I got the money to spend. I'm going to spend the money to get something like this, but better. So, oh my goodness, that is really dope, man. Let me get up out of here. That is really dope. My boy J-Lew told me he had one made. Let me take a look. Yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool, man. This is dope. This is dope. I can't wait to get one of these, man. And I'm coming into some money, some extra money from my job too. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm assuming these right here are the LED lights that's going around Justin J-Lew's his brush rack. Yeah, I gotta get one of these, but it's gotta be huge though. I got a lot of brushes. Yeah, it's gotta be something. I want mine to light up, and I want it to be real fancy and nice too. But it's gonna have to be something similar to this. Maybe cut off the bottom and then like have these over here. That way the bottom part you can look inside. I don't know. We're gonna get Jiro brush racks, man. We're gonna get together, man. Come up with a creative idea for this, cause this is too dope for me to pass up on. This is where most of my money is gonna go to right here for the merchandise. That is really dope, man. I like that. I like that. So let me get back over to Nick Wavy right quick, cause I wanna know where his brushes are at. Let me see. At Wavy merch. All right, so these are the brushes that Nick Wavy do. All right, we got some pictures of some flames and ice. Okay, let's take a look at that. Wish I could see the bristles on that, man. Let me. There we go. There we go. Damn, that's a big ass brush. Looking at it, either this guy has a little ass head or that's a big ass brush. Oh, he got the zoom in on or something. That brush look big as hell. Like he has to hold the brush like this to do this. That look like a big ass brush. Which I kind of like, so it doesn't really matter. I got a big ass head, so that's what's up. Let me see this picture right quick. Yeah, that is a big ass brush. Dude look weird as shit. Look at his eye. Got a laser eye right here. I don't know. He seemed cool though. There's straight hair waver too. Yeah, this looks like a big ass brush, man. I'm gonna have to get one of these. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, so Nick Wavy, man, shout out to you, bro. I'm gonna be purchasing a couple of those brushes. Look like you only got 2 versions, a red one and a blue one, so I get both of them just to support, but also to use them too. So, I mean, that's pretty much it, guys. It looks like that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna have to go onto the pages and look for products and stuff like that. I'm gonna have to get back cool with Fluffy, because Fluffy got good products. I'm gonna have to contact my boy Michael Stevens for some HD waves, moisture and all that stuff. Of course, I gotta hit up my boy Nitty, Brian Nitty, man. He got the Legion sauce, and that was one of my favorite things to use. So I gotta hit them 3 up for some product. I maybe gotta hit my boy up, Wave the Illest Rider. He got that illest, the illest pomade, illest butters, and all that stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that I gotta come back into the wave game and get. And I mean, that's pretty much it. I can't wait. I'm probably gonna cut my hair this week or next week, I'm not sure. But with that being said, man, I appreciate everybody joining me on this video, looking at me go on here and pretty much see what my purchases are going to be, what merchandise that I'm going to definitely be buying. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. That is HB3 one time, HB3 parentheses one time. If you need any help with waves, you got any questions, concerns, maybe want a shout out, need a shout out, I don't know, or want to do a collab or something, just hit me up. My information is down in the description below. With that being said, it's all good, it's all wavy. It's your boy HB3. I'm out of here. Peace.